Today we will learn conditional tenses. There are three kind of conditional tenses or three kind of situation where we use conditional tenses. The first one is probable condition. Probable means there is possibility of the action happening. If there is a possibility of some kind of action which could happen, we use this probable condition or this construction of sentence. In this sentence, the conditional part of the sentence, the part of the sentence where condition has been given or where if has been used. If tells us about the condition. That is part starting with F is in present and the rest is in future. The part starting with F or setting a condition will be in present and the other part, the consequences of that condition will be in future. If she goes to Lahore, she will meet her brother. If she goes, if she goes. Now there are chances of her going to Lahore. Chances, I repeat, she may go or she may not go. But if she goes, she will meet her brother. This as a probable condition means it may happen or may not happen. There are 50-50 chances of this happening. If they come to my garden, my dog will bark at them if they ever dare to come to my garden. I hope they will not come, but if they come, they have to face my dog. This is a this is a tense where condition is used and that condition is probable. There is a possibility of happening that action and there is also a possibility of action not happening. 50-50% chances of some action will happen or not. The second kind of conditional tenses are where improbable conditions are given. Improbable means nearly impossible to happen. The conditional part of the sentence, that is part starting with if, is in past tense. If and past tense. The other part, would, should, and first form of the verb is used. In the other part, we will use would or should and the first form of the verb. Now, in this tense, there is no possibility of happening that action. If you saw her, you would speak to her. Now, there is no possibility of seeing her. It means, it means, it implies there is no possibility of your seeing her. So you would not speak to her, means you would speak to her, means you will speak to her if you saw her. And there is no possibility of seeing her. So this may be an expression of wish. You would speak to her. If you went there, she would help you. If you went there, he is not ready to go there. So if now there it is showing that there's at least a 0% chance of this action happening. So we say this, we term this improbable condition. The condition is not possible to be realized, to be fulfilled. So this may not happen. This may be a wish of the speaker because he has set a condition which is improbable. The last, but not the least, is the third kind of condition, third kind of tenses. Impossible conditions where are given. The conditional part of the sentence, that is part starting with if, is in past perfect tense. This is conditional sentence. Past perfect had is showing us that it is past, had and third form showing it is past. And then the second part, we use would have and third form of the verb. I repeat, had plus third form, and in the second, would have plus third form. This is the construction of impossible condition sentence where impossible condition have been given. If you had worked hard, he may have failed. But if he worked hard in the past, he may have passed. But as he did not work hard, so he wasn't passed. So this is a situation, this is a narration of a situation where something has been given which tells us that it is impossible because he is not going to do this, or he had not done it. If he had gone there, he would have helped her. If she had gone there, if, but she didn't go there. So he would have helped her. He can help her only in this situation when she had gone there. But as she didn't go, the sentence is telling us that she didn't go, so there are no chances of helping her by him. So these are the three conditional tenses, and their construction, which we have expressed and explained here. And with this, this is the end of 10th series. With another series of English grammar, we will be here. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.